This year will mark my 18th year as a professional motocross racer. To be here with my family this year, wife and kids, and back in Mannum, South Australia, where I grew up, it's home for me, so it's awesome. I've travelled the world, raced a lot of years in America, and just to be able to come back here and finish off my career at the place that I once started it is very special to me. So it's awesome to be amongst the Penrite Honda racing team. We're focused, we understand what we need to do, our bike's awesome, and we're really looking forward to this year, and hopefully we can end the season on top.